Hi, viewers. Wish you a very long weekend. It's a warm Saturday evening today. Hope you all are enjoying your time with families. This is a brand new chat show with me, Sita Kodavati. This show is about the guests who have been successful, and we want to understand their support system, their best friends, their spouses, who's been their pillar of support, and walk with them all through the successful journey. So let's begin the show with the first guest on my show. Let's have the
She is a beauty with brains and a kind heart, leads her life without judgments and prejudice. He means the world to her, and that it shows in his eyes. They started a beautiful journey together with the sacred vows. Here they stand as one. Introducing the lovely couple, Chaitanya and Sairam, who firmly believe hard work and determination are the only key to success.
Hey Chaitanya, hey
Hi,
Sairam, welcome to the
Sita.
show.
How are you?
So
Thank
nice
you,
to
thank
have
you.
you guys over.
Thank you so much. And first of all, congratulations for your first episode. And we are super excited to be on
I'm
this
honored.
one.
I'm
Yes.
honored, and it's actually a privilege to have both of you on our show. Such a dynamic young couple with so many creative ideas. We would like to know your journey all through. Let's get to know in this show. So they say behind every successful woman, we have behind every successful man, there is a very strong-willed woman. Now here we see a very unique couple. I'm sure there is such a creative, dynamic young man sitting next to you, being your pillar of support. So, can we have a few words about Sai?
Hi, everyone. This is Sai. He's my husband. I have been his college junior. But when we were in college, we never actually dated. But later we met on social media, and then we kind of started talking to each other. Most of our journey was long distance, but after 5 years, maybe we like actually spoke in person. But in college, we actually never thought like we would be a couple or something like that. And from then, our journey started, and it's almost 13 years. And it's been a wonderful journey. And to tell something personal about him, he's a civil engineer, but by passion, he's into filmmaking. I'm sure many of you give me compliments about my photographs. Most of it's his, and my daughter. And yeah, it happened. Cocktail Diaries happened. I'm sure you have seen how much talented he is, and I'm blessed to have him as my life partner.
That's an awesome compliment for you, Sai. So, a few wonderful words about Chaitanya here. Can
Oh,
you have a few
like,
words, yeah, for your loving wife for us? I know you express it every single day, but this is an open forum. We would love
I
to hear.
don't usually talk, but I put it in like uh, creating something for her to show the love. So yeah, she's very beautiful, and she's
అయితే సాయి చాలా ఎక్స్ప్రెసివ్ చైతన్య ఫుల్ అంటే మాటల్లో కాకుండా పాటల్లో he has his own ways of expressing his emotions and love. So
సో నాకు ఎలా అంటే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ అ మూవీ. ఏది చెప్పినా గానీ అట్లా ఒక మూవీ లాగా ఉంటది అనమాట మా ఇంట్లో.
దట్ ఈస్ అమేజింగ్. రోజు ఇంట్లో ఒక కొత్త స్టోరీ, ఒక కొత్త మొత్తం ఒక కొత్త నరేషన్ నడుస్తా ఉంటది. That's very
సీత నేను సాయపడే అలా అనుకున్నా, బట్ నౌ మై డాటర్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో లైక్ దట్. వెన్ ఎవర్ షీ ఫైండ్ సంథింగ్ షీస్ లైక్ Mom, let's make a movie. I'm like, what is wrong with you guys? Everything is like a movie for you.
It's in the genes. Where will it go? It's in the genes, so it's flowing. She is going to. She has such great role models in front of her, upbringing her. I'm sure she will be very proud of you and make you guys proud as well.
Yeah, thank you so much for saying that.
So, okay, let's. So you said it's been like more than a decade that you have known. So whose love marriage? Definitely, it seems like a love marriage. So who's proposed whom? How did it start?
Actually, we liked each other, but just telling it by words. I asked like what next. Then he's like, okay, like we have been talking, but he was the one who first proposed. But we both had equal love for each other since first.
That's nice. So, Sai, what was that striking thing in her that I'm like, oh, you're in your. We'll get to Cocktail Diaries, but the love, the impact showed on your first opening shot of Cocktail Diaries. The love in your eyes. So, what was
Yeah.
the striking thing about her?
It's not just about me, but the love which she shows to the life, I can say, and to the human beings or to the animals, you can say anything. That is the first thing that struck me, and then slowly built up to started liking her. So that I can say is the first thing.
That I guess everyone here who can relate to Chaitanya in any form understand what a kind heart she is. She's one of the a very well-known philanthropist I have known. In her capability, she tries to reach and does everything possible, even beyond what she can. I'm sure she inspires a lot. So that's a remarkable feature in you, Chaitanya. I'm sure there should be a lot of people who follow you, and I wish they get more and more inspired. నిజాలు అలానే ఉంటాయి, నిజాలు చేదుగా ఉంటుంది.
But thank you so much for saying that.
Yeah, it's nice. So let's know, Pelli, I know it happened. Any hiccups in the start from the family front?
You can speak on it.
Yeah, of course. అంటే
Fast is fast. Let's not dig into it. Just on a very lighter note.
యా ఐ మీన్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఉంటుంది. ఇంకా మరి లైక్ ఒక రాయలసీమ మూవీ స్టైల్లో కాకపోయినా ఒక చిన్న మూవీ స్టైల్లో మాత్రం అయింది. బాగానే వెంట్ ఆన్ ఫర్ 6 years ఆల్మోస్ట్.
Wow.
So finally both parents agreed, and
So we have an upcoming web series on your love story itself, seems like. You have such a content already. So okay, let's talk a little about how did Cocktail Diaries happen? Like, how did it? I mean, everybody would definitely want to understand this. You're an abundant of talent, of course, with beautiful her next to you. But just a few words for us. How did Cocktail Diaries happen?
Cocktail Diaries, yeah, I was associated with Nakshatram Productions. We produced some short films with me directing, and also acted in one of the short films that they made. And then we thought of going big, and at the time the web series weren't produced in Telugu. So there were some in Hindi, very little in YouTube, and not any other platforms. The idea of doing the web series started, and we discussed some stories, and we thought we want to reach broader audience, and we want to reach touch each age group. So that's how the story has been written. So there are 3 different age groups, and the story, the regular NRI life between those three couples, I can say. So
Awesome.
that's how it started.
That's it's. I mean, I have watched every single bit. So for the viewers here as well, this was one of its kind, the first Telugu web series, and here we have the star couple, the creative director, the actors, the screenplay director, everything. I mean, he is a bundle of talent. She is his support system. He's her support system. It's so wonderful to see you guys here. So let's know a little more about your. I think you had your recent short film on quarantine. The COVID inspired you in some way.
Yeah, that was a quick thought. The actors from the Cocktail Davis wanted to do something. I mean, we have seen the one Bollywood made. We wanted to do something similar to that, and we had an idea based on the characters from the Cocktail Diaries, and written something. It happened like in a 2 or 3 days. So
Yeah,
we
we
didn't
just thought of the idea and we
just
implemented
taking
it. And for him, like when he has all the footage, he doesn't sleep until it is edited and it is
Yeah.
done. And he's like at back of people getting music done, background score done, names, everything. He's like doing that post production stuff.
He's thorough in it. He's thorough in what he does for sure.
Yeah.
So Sai, that's. Is there anything else surprise coming for us next? Much looking forward.
Now, I have some stories, so I don't know. I mean, I have some for the feature films too, and also some for web series or short films that can be made, but I'm not sure. We haven't started with anything. Nothing as formal yet. So.
That's much look forward to it. I'm sure. So you guys have any common interests? Like I'm sure because you both are in the glam field, have acted together. You worked under his direction as well. So what is it like? Do you have share a common interest together?
And most of the things we do are in common. They are of common interest, so I don't know what to talk about.
Yeah, I mean, I always loved fashion and doing modeling. That was always my thing. So he was a person who always wanted to be, in the back. Like he's always behind the camera taking pictures or shooting something. So he needs a model. So I'm always here. I enjoy modeling and he enjoys being behind the camera. So it's a blend of both.
So how much of you are a fashion icon? I see you're quite stylish. You carry yourself quite presentable on screen and as well when we meet in person. Like I've met you a couple of times. You're quite a presentable and a very sweet girl. So how much of influence of your fashion he has? Is there any specific dress he likes to see you in? Any specific costume?
I think now he's tired of seeing me getting ready.
How long does she take to get ready? I mean, I'm curious. It's a very personal thing.
When you wear your shoes and you're at the doorstep, let me know. Then I'll just change my dress and come. That's how he answers these days.
Ghar ghar ki kahani. It's the same thing, but with a beauty like that, I'm sure. But so you like her with makeup, without? I'm sure you have seen both shades. Of course, we have seen her.
So he
her
answered that question recently. He says, for other people, like they compare you being with makeup, without makeup. But for me, like any time of the day, any dress you wear, you look the same for me. That's what he said.
She spends all that time getting ready to make her look so beautiful in front of you, and then that compliment. No, Sai. I think you got to take.
She obviously is beautiful. I mean, with makeup or without makeup, and I don't have to like see it differently. I mean, yeah, it's like.
So రోజు అందంగానే చూస్తానంటావు కళ్ళకి ఏం
అంటే నాకు లైక్
కళ్ళకి ఎప్పుడు చూసినా అందంగానే ఉంటుంది.
యా అంటే ఇంటెన్సిటీ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటదేమో కానీ బట్ బ్యూటీ ఇస్ ద సేమ్ రైట్.
Is there any striking? I mean, ఏమన్నా మంచి ఏదైనా డ్రెస్ చూసి లేదా do you shop for her? I mean, because she has her own taste, I'm sure.
I used to కానీ ఇప్పుడు
for last birthday, he wanted to surprise me and he went to Macy's and he bought me 7 dresses. And he told me this is a surprise. I didn't know which size would fit you and what. And he gave me those 7 dresses. I'm like, okay, I'm taking the 7. Then he's like, I thought you'd pick one. I picked all the 7.
And I was waiting for a month so that I was thinking that she would return some of those and I would get back some money in my card. It didn't happen.
You should. So did you pay another visit to Macy's and shop for a few more? Did you ever buy something for him?
I always shop something or other. Yeah, and most of it it suits him. That's what I feel happy about.
So yeah, look at that. She
is shopping for me.
Look at that. She gets ready to see all those compliments. I'm sure నీ కడుపు నిండిపోతుంది అలా తనని అలా అందంగా చూసేసరికి.
అదే.
Okay, so so this show is designed around some chit chat, some fun segments. So we have 3 fun segments around this show. The first one, I call it as a love meter. Let's see. It's not really. I want to measure or anyone. Your love
Meter.
is very obvious. It's just for some fun. But let's see how much of PDA you can do on this show.
Alright.
Okay, this is the. Do you guys have a pen and a paper ready?
Yeah.
Otherwise, also I don't mind. I can pick you guys first. So Sai, few times I may put you on a spot, so be prepared.
All right.
Okay. So the first question: what is Chaitanya's favorite color?
So is it only
should be
for
easy.
him or for me?
Or maybe he didn't know which color. He got all 7 rainbow colors because he wasn't sure which color. So now let's know.
So even I have to write it, right?
Yes, you got to write it. I want to know from him and don't show it.
Yeah.
Both of you write.
Her favorite color, right?
Her favorite color. Nee favorite color kaadu babu.
Rash.
Rashna, huh? Okay. So can I know Chaitanya? Okay. Can I know Sai? What did you write?
Blue.
Avna, what did you write?
Pink.
So you wrote his favorite color? No, sorry, you wrote your favorite color?
No. Blue are not at all favorite to me.
Actually, these days, blue is my favorite, but pink has been always my favorite color.
See, girl ki pink obviously ishtamu. Atla ala ela miss ayo.
Yeah, అంటే recent గా pink start అయినా.
Kudur putaka. So now your house should be filled with pink, blushing pink.
Yeah, అంటే mostly obviously అంటే షాపింగ్ కి వెళ్తే పింకే దొరుకుతాయి ఎక్కువ, but we just don't want to pin to one color. So yeah, go with all the colors.
That's okay. So now he owes you to get 2 colors, 1 blue dress and 1 pink dress. That's okay. You get 2 at least for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think the next one. Let's get into the next one. What is the first location, or let's say, where did you guys go on your first date? Which place did you go to?
Date. Yellow.
ఆహా మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు మాకు వినిపిస్తుంది.
అవునా? ఓకే.
ఓకే సాయి.
బిర్లా మందిర్.
Yeah, Birla Mandir.
That's nice. So temple lo, okay, that is again a movie scene then. So a beautiful girl walking in the temple. I think I watched it in one of the movies for sure. So అక్కడి నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఇన్స్పైర్
అంటే ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ కదా, అంటే అట్లా అయ్యింది అది, అంతే, ప్లాన్డ్ కాదు.
Because no, it is a God given message and there it all speaks. ఏమి చెప్పక్కర్లేదు ఇంకా టెంపుల్ లో మీటింగ్ అంటే. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. వాట్ ఇస్ సాయిస్ ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్?
Food.
Favorite food. What's your favorite dish? Sorry?
She is a beauty with brains and a kind heart. Leads her life without judgments and prejudice. He means the world to her, and that it shows in his eyes. They started a beautiful journey together with the sacred vows. Here they stand as one. Introducing the lovely couple, Chaitanya and Sai Ram, who firmly believe Hard work and determination are the only key to success. He means the world to her, and bet it shows in his eyes. They started a beautiful journey together with the sacred vows. Here they start.
So that was a sorry, guys. That was a small technical glitch.
No problem.
Okay, we can get this started. Okay, so you guys were thinking and then gossiping, so you could not do it on screen. You guys went off screen to discuss what is his favorite food.
Yeah,
Cheating. Mattam cheating.
he's my favorite. That's what he's saying.
Or did he go and eat and come? He felt hungry the moment we said food. He just ran into the kitchen to eat something.
And I will wait for the show to finish.
Okay, so what's Sai's favorite food?
I mean, I wrote the most favorite is biryani.
Yeah, I wrote chicken
The-
biryani.
Okay, the next one. What is your most memorable day in your life? Like together, of course, marriage day. Na wild guess me gurinchi, or maybe I live with you.
Okay.
Yeah,
When the
Okay.
baby was born.
yeah. When Arya was born.
Awesome. I thought you guys are a very doted parents. So what's Arya doing right now? You kept her occupied, I'm sure.
Watching your favorite Toy Story movie.
I don't think they need us anymore when they have their series to watch. They don't care what's happening around. Good.
Yeah.
So
So,
the next one. What was the first gift Chaitanya gave you?
It's a dancing doll.
yeah.
The dancing
Okay.
doll.
Okay, the last one on this. What is your the go-to movie? Like you just guys are dead bored. You want to watch some movie. What is your favorite movie together that you would like think instant in?
Together, I think.
The recent one is
But do we see it all the time?
we ever get such time.
Do you have time
Or
firstly
watch.
to watch with her? You are almost lost in your thoughts all the time, thinking what next, what next.
Actually, I mean, at least from last year, life has been so busy. We don't even get time sometimes to talk to each other.
I
But
can
now
imagine.
we have been catching up with some movies and web series. But recent one, what we watched back to back for few weeks was Arjun Reddy.
Awesome. So it is in the recent. So this COVID has got some time back for both of you. You
Yes.
both are so busy. So how do you manage, like with a daughter? How do you manage? And you have your own careers, I'm sure. So having all that, how does it fit in?
So Arya has always been very accommodating child. I mean, whenever we go somewhere, she knows that we both are like busy, but still she comes there and she watches around. Like she's always very helpful in that way. She's not at all cranky. So that's the way it is working out for us.
That's girls are a bliss. I have to. Chaitanya, I think you're not fully in the frame. Do you mind moving a little to your right? Yeah, that's good.
Oh,
That's perfect. Okay, so guys, maybe I'll not ask you. I will not trouble you anymore with writing, but close your eyes. Let's do a blindfolded game. Just point to each other based on my questions.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
This sounds
Okay. So okay, close your eyes. The first question. Who spends a lot?
Money or time?
Money on?
Time.
Okay, whichever doesn't matter. Time who spends more. I never even thought about it.
Money. Okay.
Okay. Who attends play dates often with kids? Okay. Who is the most adventurous? That's nice. Who is more funny? Okay. So you both fun generate for each other. Who loves? Okay. Who initiated the first kiss? Okay. Smart move, Sai. So who who loves more? Awesome, guys. Awesome. So that was my first love meter round. And the love meter rating for this couple is you are the hottest couple.
Oh.
On that note, claps to both of you. Okay, so now we're talking about love. Let's be in the same group. Let's with the roles reversal. How did Sai propose you? Like I understand that he proposed you. So how did he propose you? Can we enact like Chaitanya, you being Sai, and Sai, you being Chaitanya? What was her reaction right away?
All right. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
little context, like I was like talking too much on the phone all the time, and I never had real friends. Like I talk a lot on the phone, so my parents were like, "We know that you're talking to a guy. We don't want you to talk, and this is final." That's what my dad told me. Then I called him up and said, see, my parents said like this, I'm no more calling you again. That was my thing. Yeah, from there we'll enact and show you how it happened.
Sure. Okay, we all got a background. The viewers got a background. Now let's see. Sai, make sure you are Chaitanya. So,
I'll keep that.
try. Yeah. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకో రోజు ఏం లేదా రోజు అక్కర్లేదా
రోజు లేకుండా
ఫోన్ కదా సో అవసరం లేకుండే
ఓకే
నేను అప్పటికి
ఓకే ఫోన్ అయితే there are two ways then first phone తర్వాత how did you when you met also we want to see those emotions phone లో talking but emotions also
Yeah.
నువ్వు చైతన్య చెప్పు ఇక
చదివినవా పోయం
వినిపిస్తలేదు
చదివినవా పోయం
చదివిన చాలా బాగా రాశారు ఏంటి అంత బాగానే ఉందా ఇంట్లో
సరే కానీ మా ఇంట్లో మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడొద్దు అంటున్నారు కాల్ చేయొద్దు అంటున్నారు
అంతేనా మరి
యా ఇంకా మాట్లాడమేమో మనం ఇంకా
సరే ఎన్నో రోజుల నుంచి చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా బట్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలి ఇంకా ఐ లవ్ యూ
అంతే దాని తర్వాత ఏం మాట్లాడలేదని ఇంకా
దాని తర్వాత ఫోన్ కట్ చేసిందా ఇంకా మాట్లాడాను మా అమ్మ నాన్న కాదు నేనే మాట్లాడాను No, that was very సో కలిసిన తర్వాత ఆ తర్వాత లవ్ ప్రపోజల్ మళ్ళీ సో హౌ ఆఫ్టెన్ యూ టెల్ హర్ ఐ లవ్ యూ ఆర్ హౌ ఆఫ్టెన్ షీ టెల్స్ యూ
అప్పుడు అంటే ఎవ్రీ సెకండ్ అనుకోవచ్చు
హార్ట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ యంగ్ వి ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు
వెరీ ప్రేమ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ ఆన్ బేబీ బేబీకి రోజు ఇద్దరం ఒక 100 సార్లు చెప్తామేమో
ట్రూ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ అర్థమైపోతుంది ఇంకొకరికి ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నాము దట్స్ వెరీ లవ్లీ యాక్చువల్లీ మాట్లాడను అని చెప్పేసి మొత్తం ఇంకా I mean you had your you made your say loud and clear just by saying I will not talk to you. Very smart, Sai. Very smart, and you were equally smart because you initiated the first kiss. That's what I think. Both are equally smart couple. Okay, so guys, on that note, let's go to the next classic cocktail round. We're trying to know a little more about each other. I know this is more for our audience as well to know a few interesting things about you. So let me get to the first question here. What is the most irritating thing? You could pick who wants to answer. It's not like okay, I would say you pick it. So what is the most irritating thing about your spouse? Like, Sai, Chaitanya, you can choose to say.
For him, irritating thing about me is అంటే ఏదైనా ఫైట్ అయినప్పుడు irrespective, I expect him to talk first. I think that's the most irritating thing for him.
ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అడగపోయాను. వెన్ వాజ్ ద రీసెంట్ టైం యూ సెడ్ సారీ అని. సో దీన్ని బట్టి ఐ గాట్ మై ఆన్సర్. సో ఇన్ఎవిటబ్లీ అక్కడ సారీ రాదు. దట్స్ గుడ్. యూర్ స్ట్రాంగ్. దట్స్ హౌ వి ఆల్ షుడ్ బి. మేక్ పీస్. I'm sure they made peace with it. With the word sorry. So Sai, that is the most annoying thing for you. Is there any habit that you would want to get rid of?
For me or for her?
Yeah, for you.
నువ్వు చెప్పాలి.
For me, ఎవరిదైనా
ఓకే.
అది sleep a lot.
నువ్వా నేనా?
ఇప్పుడు దాని గురించి కొట్టుకుంటాను. సో యాక్చువల్లీ లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఇది అయిన తర్వాత మనం మెజర్ చేద్దాం. మీరు ఎంతసేపు పడుకున్నారు, హ్యావ్ అ స్లీప్ టైమర్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ షేర్ ఇట్ ఫర్ us to say whose habit are you actually talking. Are you talking about hers or are you talking about yours?
Actually, he wakes up early and I wake up late. Like we both are in like 2 different time zones. But at least like that, I think with the kid, it's working out for us.
That's good. So who is the good singer, guys? Because I have a task. You guys pick who wants to sing. The other is going to mimic. Make it point to one person now. So choose who wants to sing because both of you get to act in this. So who sings and who mimics?
ఎప్పుడు నన్ను ఎందుకు వాడిస్తావు? నువ్వు లేదు, చాలా బాగా వాడు
చాలా బాగా డాన్స్ చేస్తాడు, అది తెలుసు.
లేదు, he also sings good.
Then this is a compliment. So I prove it to yourself. See, she's saying it on air. She wants to. So sing a love song for her. Maybe our emotion kuda padipoddi.
అంటే మనం వాడు
పాడు 2 lines.
లవ్ సాంగ్ అంటే మనకు మెలోడియస్ పాడడం రాదు. సో రబ్బర్ గాజులు తెచ్చానే, రిబ్బను పువ్వులు తెచ్చానే, మని అబ్బని అత్తలి బొమ్మ చక్కగా నీచలు తెచ్చానే, నువ్వంటే పడి చేస్తానే.
Amazing, guys. It's so wonderful to watch you on the show. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm sure the audience are entertaining. Please do encourage us with your love and support. If you switch genders for the day, what would you do? Like, if you switch genders, like if you just became a girl, say.
What would I do?
Yeah. Like for one day, huh?
I would boss around the house and I would do nothing in the house.
I am reading something between the lines. You want to boss around. So what's happening, guys?
I don't know.
So Chaitanya, that is if you were becoming a guy or you being you?
So, ఇప్పుడు అందరం వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ లాక్డౌన్ కదా, నాకు యూజువల్లీ ఎవరైనా తిని ప్లేట్స్ గ్లాసెస్ అక్కడే పెట్టేస్తే నాకు అస్సలు నచ్చదు అనమాట. అండ్ ఐ సీ లైక్ హీ పిక్స్ ఇట్ అప్ అండ్ హీ పుట్స్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద వాష్ బేసిన్. పెట్టనే పెట్టాడు. ఇంకా ఈవినింగ్ ఏంది ఇది అని అంటే హీస్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడే దట్ వాజ్ మార్నింగ్ ప్లేట్ అండ్ హీ సేస్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడే.
వర్కింగ్ అవర్స్ లో వేరే పని చేయలేం కదా.
వర్క్ ఫార్ హోమ్ కూడా WFH అంటే అది కూడా తెలుసు కదా. WFH అంటే వర్క్ ఫార్ హోమ్ కూడా, వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్, వర్క్ ఫార్ హోమ్. So it has its own meaning. You can interpret it however you want.
And now more than both of us, there is another boss in the home. She puts everything on the floor, and when I tell her clean it up, she's like, only moms get to do such things. I'm the boss of the house. So I feel like I want to be the boss of the house.
Oh my God. Then you have a super boss on top of you. Okay, then you guys will be set very soon. That's nice, guys. That's so nice. Okay, so we got to know what Chaitanya wants to be, but Sai, probably you want to think. You still given an option. Maybe tomorrow try to be the girl and see what it is like.
I think I said I want to act in my own film as a heroine.
Oh, I didn't. Sorry, I missed it. I was talking too much. Okay. Maybe a little witty one. Who snores the loudest, though? Anytime you wanted to just get out of the room and he's snoring.
Every time.
So how do you make peace with it? You sleep before him?
No, she has got those construction
Yeah.
earplugs.
The earphones noise cancellation.
No, just earplugs. The construction noise earplugs. So they would lower the decibel level so much.
Oh, I want to understand. Oh, next time we're going to record it. We want to have a show where we want to. I may want to take this. I didn't know this. This is an information.
I think she's sensitive with ears.
Or under your decibel levels are not that high. She's sensitive.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay. Sai, this is for you. Pretend to be. I think this is a very easy one. Okay, she just said what she gets annoyed with. Pretend to be Chaitanya when she's angry.
When she is angry.
అంటే చైతన్య మాకు చాలా సాఫ్ట్ స్వీట్ గర్ల్ లాగా తెలుసు మేబీ మీ నుంచి ఐ కాంట్ ఆస్క్ హర్ టు బి యాంగ్రీ ఇట్ బ్రేక్ మెనీ పీపుల్స్ హార్ట్ సో లెట్స్ సీ
నవ్వుతున్నా కోవలుంటున్నా
Okay. Go on. She doesn't have to act as me. అప్పుడైతే కొంచెం బాగుంటది.
I have a different task for her.
Okay.
I can add this task. Actually, let's see. This is interesting. So, you can be how is Sai when he's angry. You have another task to do for this.
I think with both of us it's the same. When we are angry, we don't talk, but when we talk, it comes out like.
Intlo, the whole Chinaware, the whole dinner sets. How many rounds you keep buying every week?
He does it. He breaks things around the house.
See, breaking is a different thing. Who picks it up? That matters to me. I don't care if he breaks it.
It's obviously I pick it up in the last.
Plates. I won't go after plates and mugs and cups.
He goes after walls.
So how many dents in your walls, Sai?
Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4.
సో మొత్తం ఇంటి గుట్టంతా బయటకు వచ్చేస్తుంది
మరి మీ షో
సారీ
మరి మీ షో ఎట్లుంది అంటున్నా
అస్సలు గొడవ పెట్టడానికి కాదు ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పాలంటే దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ వన్స్ లైఫ్స్ లైక్ యా బట్ ఆ డెసిబెల్ లెవెల్స్ ఆ ఇంటెన్సిటీ లెవెల్స్ కొంచెం తేడా ఉంటాయి అంతే guys okay Chaitanya, maybe this is for you. Did you ever buy something and have hidden the price from him?
Price?
Like maybe it was X dollars and
yeah, most of the things, whatever he has fancy items around the house, including his laptop, it's by me, and every time I hide the price, and whenever he opens the gift, the first question would be, how much is it? I'm like, seriously?
Not correct. You use his card or your card?
I use mine.
Okay, that is the reason he's asking. Next time start using his. Maybe he will not even ask how much it is. He'll get it as a notification. Okay. So Chaitanya, this is for you. Okay. Pretend to be Sai when he's romantic.
Romantic. It's not only romantic.
I'm not usually so romantic.
He himself is saying I'm not usually that romantic.
ఏదో ఒకటి చేసి పడిపోయింది కదా సో ఎంతో రొమాన్స్ పోర్షన్ ఉంటుంది ఇట్స్ ఓకే చైతన్య నువ్వు ఎలా చూస్తావు హౌ డు యు సీ హిస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఆఫ్ రొమాన్స్ ఆర్ లవ్
For me, yeah, I mean, like he's very pure in his intentions and everything, but whenever like he feels somebody is trying to step on me or somebody is not doing the right thing for me, he's always been there and stepped up and had my voice for him, and he doesn't care who is the opposite person. If he's superior in power, doesn't matter. But when he feels like I'm having trouble with it, uh, and it's genuine, then he definitely steps up. That is what love is for me.
Awesome. Awesome. So you are being her shield, always protecting her. That's something very that is a pride moment, I'm sure, for a man to hear all these wonderful things from a wife. Good. Okay, the next one is gifts ఇచ్చాడు అన్నావు కదా. Have you ever pretended? This is for both of you actually. Have you ever pretended that you to like a gift from him and you from her, but actually you didn't like it?
There was never such moments for me, but for him, definitely there are many because I'm not that good at baking and doing desserts.
Gifts and
Uh, Dessert can be a gift too, right? When I cook it and give it for you, and he's like, he eats it and he's like, it's good. But with his expression, I can see that it's terrible.
So good is enough to say. It is different, and so the common comments I get is when I cook something, oh, it is different. So when I hear the word it is different, I can interpret it in my language that it is terrible. Okay. The other question is okay, now we have some surprise. Your friends, so we heard everything from you. There is something from your friends that they would like to share.
Oh, I did not know
Can
this.
we, can we have the video on the friends?
Hi Sai, hi Chetu. I'm so happy for you guys. Before I start with anything, so first things first, I know Sai and Chaitanya from 10 years. We have been best of best friends. She's like family to me. And she's like the 3 a.m. friend, 2 a.m. friend, everything that I can think of. So the first time I met Sai was 10 years ago when I got newly married, and Sai and Chaitanya were not married yet. He was a bachelor, but he was always on the phone with Chaitanya, so I knew Shaitu from then. And he finally introduced her to us physically in 2010, and I think since then I have been kind of I always had a positive vibe around her, and she was always chirpy, and something no one knows about her is that she's very reserved and she doesn't talk much. She rarely trusts anyone. If she thinks that you're pure and you're very good, she will be your friend forever. So that is one thing I really loved about her. And second thing, social media, everyone sees that she's a wonderful mom and an amazing wife, a supportive wife to Sai and everything. But what
Hello everyone, I'm Sharayu, I'm Chaitanya's friend, Sai's friend as well, but sorry Sai, I'm more of a Chaitanya's friend. Before talking about both of them, I would like to say a few things. I used to think that friendship was sleepovers at each other's place and playing dates, but now I think that it's not. Now I think that friendship is 3 a.m. calls in the morning and talking about what happened a day earlier instead of sleeping. I think friendship is it's 3 p.m. call in the afternoon, talking and laughing so hard, rolling on the floor. Friendship is sitting with each other in silence and eating rather than talking because eating is what you would do. So Chaitanya is all this friend of mine, and she is a perfect comforting friend in the silence. She's been there with me in my hard times. I met Chaitanya when I joined this new office in 2013, and since I've been knowing her. About Chaitanya, I would like to say back then when we were not friends, even though she didn't know me or anybody who when we
I
Wow.
have to tell you actually here one thing. They had so much to talk. I will send you the videos later after this. But they had so much to talk. It was so hard to just cut it down for the sake of fitting it within the show time. But that shows when your friends have so much to talk and they just say, I can't speak in a specific, like I can't cut it down anymore. I can understand how much of impact you have on their lives, both of you as a couple. So
Yeah,
it's a
thank
bliss to
you
have
so
friends
much,
like that.
Sita. I did not expect that my friends would talk something about me on the show. It's very overwhelming. I couldn't hear much of it, but definitely I want those clips. And
I will send
from
it.
the thing which I understood, like it's a very heartfelt message from them. And I truly feel blessed having such friends. And Sita, you also, like, I'm truly blessed to have you as part of my life.
Thank you so much. I am all the time like you have been an inspiration in for many and like so given to me in one form or the other. So I we connect a lot in various ways. So nice to have you and Sai again. So this is last round I have for you guys. It is called Fire It Up. It's like a rapid fire. So can we have the last round? Okay. Guys, so Chaitanya, it's like a rapid fire. Let this get this going for us. Uh,
So is it for me, is it for him, or both of us has to talk at the same time?
there is okay. No, this is a rapid fire. You pick. I ask you questions. Just let your thoughts out. That's it. It's for you. Okay. Okay. Let me get started with the first one. Whose life do you want to watch secretly? Is there any specific person?
No, I never want to do that.
Secret fantasy. Okay. So three mobile apps that you're obsessed with.
Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp,
TikTok.
TikTok.
Again, TikTok. Oh, there are four. I thought only three. Should I have added a few more? Okay. Is there any one thing that you can eat all day?
Chocolate.
Oh, girls and chocolates. So Sai, you have a very easy gift to please her.
Yeah.
Is sorry.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Is there one makeup item that you want to that if you have to give up, what is it?
Give up.
Yeah, give up one makeup item in your life.
Uh, Maybe a compact.
Okay, I would say you can give up everything and still you're as beautiful as you are.
Uh,
If okay, the next one, if you are deserted on an island, which one actor you want to stay with? Not Sai. Not Sai. I know Sai is an actor, but not Sai.
Hrithik Roshan anytime.
Making you jealous? I smell something. You do you smell something, Bunny?
Uh,
No, it's
You
fine.
always do. Okay, you are like, wait for my round. I will also take somebody else's name. Okay, I don't give you that chance. What is the latest hobby that you picked up?
And dance.
Nice. I've seen a lot of your TikTok videos and a lot of your. I think you have a lot of challenges that you're part of. That's very
Yeah.
good. Keeping yourself very active. What is the recent fight and who said sorry? I think I know the answer for the second, but I want to know the first one. Who said sorry? I'm sure Sai it would be you.
Fight. It's mostly around the house when, like, things get overwhelming. Maybe he's on the meeting and I'm on the meeting, and my daughter picks up, her volume goes high. I just shout at her, not intentionally, just out of stress. And he's like, "Why do you do that? Why can't you control?" So mostly our fights are around her.
So he yells and he says sorry also.
And he doesn't say sorry, but at some point of time,
No,
he
she
breaks.
is.
She yells,
He
and you
breaks
say
that.
sorry. It's okay. That's every house story. Don't worry.
And I should say not sorry, but he tries to break the ice.
That's very good. Actually, that keeps your bond stronger. I mean, you don't want to keep this nonsense fights going. So that's a very good thing. Many men can learn this from you. I'm sure that is a very inspiring thing. What is your first celebrity crush?
Hrithik Roshan.
Okay, yeah, of course. What is your unforgettable pickup line from the recent cocktail diaries? Like, is there any such specific pickup line that you can think of and people can relate to it?
Only from Cocktail Diaries. You're saying Sita?
Yeah, or any pickup line.
Yeah, the recent one, I mean, I have been binge watching something, and I love this line which said, "Time will love you. You don't have to obligate anyone to love you more." Yeah, that was like spot on.
Striking. That thought never went. Awesome. That was a very great show that you put up. Sai, there are a few questions for you. Director,
Okay.
writer, actor. You're best at.
Actor.
Okay. An idea that changed your life.
Marrying her.
I was thinking the same.
Good way or bad way?
Next question.
Okay, your wife's worst dish.
Worst dish?
Yeah. Worst go cook chesna dish.
Semia paisam.
Semia paisam. Who goofs up semia paisam?
Yeah,
Chaitanya?
that's it.
Okay, what was the best dish? This was not in the script. What was
Best
the best
dish?
script?
Paneer korma.
Oh, if she could make paneer kuma best, I don't know what happened. Maybe the milk was bad. Let's blame it on milk. Your wildest fantasy.
Wildest fantasy. Going to an island and like Nityananda. At an island పోయి సెటిల్ అయిపోవడం.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ప్రవచనం ఇవ్వాలన్నా. Oh, you have big plans then.
అయిపోతుందో చెప్తున్నా.
లేదు fantasy అంటే yeah, I want to have my own place. అంటే అంతా ఉండాలి. My own home.
Okay, if you marry an actor, who would it be?
Marry an actor? Marry an actor. I don't know.
Okay. See, she had a preference. Come on, Sai, you had some time to prepare too. Maybe you should say Chaitanya then.
Yeah, he's an actor. Sorry.
Mom or wife? Putting you on the spot.
Balance.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever fake sick to skip for a party?
Have I do what?
Have you ever fake sick? Like, did you say, oh no, I'm sorry, buddy, I'm sick, I don't want to come in for a party? I mean, I can't come.
No, never for the party.
A party animal then. Looks versus intelligence.
Intelligence.
Okay. Professional life versus creative life.
Creative life.
Awesome. So that was the last question of my rapid fire round. Sai and Chaitanya, both of you did your best, and both of you were very genuine in your answers. So this is what I actually thought for the winners. The winner will get the credit card from the spouse and shop around. But probably here, I think you both can exchange your gifts and send us a pic of your gift. Send us a pic of your gift so we know what you both gifted each other.
Okay.
Well, guys, this was the end of the show that I had in mind. Thank you so much for coming to the show. It was wonderful. I'm sure the audience would have had a wonderful time.
Actually, he already had 3 gifts from me because tomorrow it's his birthday.
Oh,
Hope
that's
you don't
nice.
tell him to give me more.
Happy birthday, Sai. Oh,
Thank you.
It's a wonderful day for both of you. Enjoy your time. So, what plans do you have for tomorrow then?
Staying home locked up.
Is there anything else? Staying or locked up? Maybe spending time between a kitchen and the hall.
Yeah.
Have a fun time, guys. Thank you so much for coming over. It was wonderful. You have any few words for us and the audience?
Yeah, thank you so much, Sita, for having it. Was wonderful. And you have designed the show very beautifully. I'm sure this will be a huge success, and we are always there for you. And thank you, audience, for loving us more every day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone, for your love, support. Amazing. Have a great evening, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.